Hello guys, good evening, nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel InfinityAhzee. This is Devu, anchor of this program. Today I am here to show you how to make oral saline. So please have a look. You can see here half liter of water, molasses, and spoon, there is salt and a spoon. So first of all I take half liter of water. Next I am taking handful of molasses and pouring it into the water. Then I am taking a pinch of salt and also pouring it into the water. And finally this is spoon and mixing it properly. So guys, look, your oral saline is ready. So guys, no more today. Hope you have got how to make oral saline. Next time I'm coming along with how to make vegetable salad. So keep waiting till I'm back. Have a good time.